Hi guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and switch to keypad if you're in any other panel, as this is the place where we'll be entering those codes. So the first one is pretty quick and simple, and it is *#06#, and it will display all info regarding this phone. So email number, serial number, so whenever you need it, smoothly enter this code and use it. To exit, tap on OK. Another code that I wish to show you is also pretty simple, but super useful. Actually, it's my favorite code. It is *O**. And now we are in test mode. So here you can smoothly test your hardware. For example, if you wish to check if colors on your screen are working properly, use red, green, blue, and also black right here. Click and check if it's working properly. Green, perfect. Blue, also good. Just tap once, then to go back. However, when you check black, you have to click on power button to go back to test menu. If you want to test, for example, speaker, mark it once, then click for the second time and for the third time to check it all properly. To finish the test, just tap on it one more time. Obviously, you can also check receiver, vibration, megacam, and so on, and it's all working the same way. You just need to click on it and then click on back button. To go back from your test mode, just double click on back button, and that's it. So that would be all for this hardware test. Now let me show you how to change USB settings here. So the code is *#0808 and pound at the end. And here you can smoothly and easily change USB settings, because just by tapping on particular option, you can switch the USB setup and then go back, it will be applied. So then you can go back the same way. Another code that you can use is *0011 and pound at the end. And here we've got the service mode, in which you will be able to check your GSM network. However, you need to enter your SIM card before. As you can see, I do not have mine included. That's why we don't have even basic information here, but you will be able to read everything. Then let's go back the same way. And now we can smoothly check the hardware version. To do it, enter code *2222, so 4 twos and then pound at the end. And here you can smoothly check the hardware version of your device. Let me go back. And as we are in versions, let's check the software version also. So to do it, enter *1234 and pound at the end. So here you got the software version, you can smoothly check it and use it however you like. And go back the same way. Another code that you can use here is Diagnostic configuration. To enter this panel, enter *9090 and pound at the end. So here you've got it. If you'll tap on more icon, you will be able to get some further details like help, Wi-Fi info, key input, and so on. You can also go back from here or by using this back button, it's up to you. And another code that I wish to show you is *2663 and pound at the end. And here you've got the TSP and TSK version and firmware update if you wish to do it just by switching and then refreshing. Let me just switch it off, as it may take a while. Okay, so let's wait, as actually can't stop it. So as you can see, it passed. So this is how it works. Let me go back, and then the last code that I wish to show you is quite obvious. It will also show us the software version, and the code is also pretty simple, because it's *1111 and pound at the end. And here you've got it. So this is how you can use secret codes in your device. This is how you can check super important and also just basic stuff here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.